Okay, this is a lesson on how to substitute in math, or how to replace your variable with numbers in math, or it could be other symbols that go in. First example, I'm going to sub in x equals 5 into the equation 3x plus 4. So this 5, x is 5. So where you see x in the equation, I can replace it with 5. Substitute means to replace. So this x is going to be replaced with that 5. And that's going to look like 3. Then it's a good idea if I'm putting in, it's going to be x, but it's not x anymore, it's 5. And when I replace it, it's a good idea to put it into brackets. 3 times 5 plus 4. 3 and an x right beside it means to multiply. That's 3 times 5. Because it's not an x anymore, it's a 5. I've replaced it. Then I can actually go a little bit further. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 4 equals 19. In the second example, I'm going to sub x equals a into 4x minus 3. Now I see the x is going to replace. The x has been replaced with an a, and that a is going to go in where the x is. It's 4x. No, nothing happened here, so that means it's multiplying. There's 4, then x right beside each other means multiplying. So it's going to be 4, and it's not x anymore, it's going to be an a, so bracket a minus 3. Again, always a good idea to put in what you're subbing in, to put it into brackets. And then I can just get rid of those brackets, so it's 4a minus 3. I can sub anything in. Here I have x equal to smiley face into 5 minus 3x. So it's going to be 5 minus 3. It's not x anymore. X equals a smiley face, and that's what I'm subbing in. So 5 minus 3 smiley faces. Here I'm going to sub in y equals 4x minus 3 into the equation 2x plus 3y. So it's y equals 4x minus 3. So that 4x minus 3 is going in where that y is, because it's y equals 4x minus 3. So I'm going to write out this equation, 2x plus 3, and when I get to the y, I'm not putting y anymore, I'm putting what y is equal to, which is 4x minus 3. I put it into brackets because I'm subbing it in, and now it was 3 times y, so it's going to be 3 times 4x minus 3. 2x, now I'm going to multiply the 3 into both those terms, plus 12x minus 9. Collect like terms, 2x plus 12x is 14x minus 9. And the last example says sub x equals 6y minus 7 into this equation. And so I'm going to replace the x in that equation with what x is equal to. So it's going to go 5, and then not x anymore, but 6y minus 7, because that's what x is equal to, plus 3y equals 11. 5 times 6y minus 7. That means that 5 needs to multiply to both of those things. So it'll be 30y minus 35 plus 3y equals 11. And I can actually solve this equation to get y by itself, because I have an equal sign in my equation here. So let's see, I will have 30y plus 3y equals, add 35 to both sides, 11 plus 35. I'll have 33y equaling 46. Divide both by 33. I want to have y equaling the fraction of 46 over 33. Okay, kind of an ugly number, but it doesn't matter. I subbed in, I replaced my x with what x is equal to, and in this equation, this question I was actually able to solve for what y is, because I had an equal sign going right down the middle. In the other questions, you could just simplify the best you could, because you had your equation you're putting things into did not have an equal sign. Okay, there's a little lesson on substitution, or how to substitute. You're replacing a letter with what you know the letter is equal to, and you're trying to go as far as you can. Thank you very much.